Assalamualaikum class, hope you are good. The topic of our discussion for today is career development. We previously started the chapter of career development. Uh, we are going to continue the same topic with some more information. We are going to discuss about the principles of career development in today's lecture. So, what are the principles of career development? It focuses on the self development by providing learning opportunities and opportunities like for promotion and for lateral moves contribute to the employee's career satisfaction. The next is a greater sense of responsibility for managing one own career contribute to self confidence, and career planning and development clarifies that the match between organizational and individual employee goals. It is cost effective to use current employee talent to provide career development opportunities within the organization. That are the principles of career development. More principles under career development are: career development increases employee motivation, equality, and productivity, and organizational attention to career development help to attract top professional and retain valued employees. Supporting career development and growth to employees is the founding philosophy of human resources development. Okay, the next is theoretical implication of career development. This is not much important, so we are not going to discuss it in explain going to discuss its explanation. Theories are not uh, for our lecture, and we are going to discuss about the stages of career development. So the first stage is assessment. In this stage you are getting ready for your life work. This stage is characterized by unawareness, in that you are not sure what your values, strengths, and weaknesses are. Key characteristics are taking assessment instrument, working with a career counselor or career coach. The second stage is investigation. In investigation, you are researching what work exists in the world. This stage is characterized by feelings of confusion, in that you are not sure what career options exist for you. Okay? If you approach this stage with a positive frame of mind, you will find that you will learn about many possibilities you may have never considered. ठीक है? So I hope you get the investigation stage very well, and key characteristics of this stage are researching the world of work and conducting informational interviews with people in your chosen field. Okay, the next stage is preparation. In preparation stage, you are still getting ready to do your life work. This stage is characterized by feeling of excitement as you think of how wonderful it will be to perform meaningful work. However, this is still much work to be done. There is still much work to be done, and to be successful you have to prepare. And the key characteristics under this heading is gaining knowledge and experience and setting goals and adopting success oriented mindset. The next stage, that is stage number 4, is known as commitment, and in this stage you will feel confident that you have figured out what you are meant to do. Sometimes people have known all along what they were meant to do but could not commit to process of making it happen. For whatever reason, at this stage more than ever, you must focus your energy and keep your eye on the target. And key characteristics of commitment is conducting a job research and negotiating and accepting a job offer. The next stage is retention, that is stage number 5, and in this stage you will feel comfortable in your career field, and you will want to retain committed to your career by continuously updating your skill set and staying current with industry standard. And the key characteristics of retention is providing first class customer service skills and building a professional network. And the next stage is transition, and in this stage by the feeling of discomfort in that you are unsure of what you will doing next. Will You are sad and you will be happy. In this stage you will learn to make conscious changes in your career direction, and the key characteristics to it are making career changes and developing. Key characteristics are making career changes. Okay, these are the stages of career development process. The topic of our discussion for today is more than enough for today. I hope you get the topic very well. If you have any queries, then do ask me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.